What's going on, you guys? So back in the new spot today, magnet fishing. Looking around on Google Maps and I found this spot. It looks pretty cool, so I'm gonna check it out. I think I'm gonna start on this side first. Got a little water rushing over there. And yes, guys, we got snow. I think it was Thursday, no, Wednesday night, Thursday, Saturday. So the snow is sticking around here. That's unusual for us. We barely get any snow where I live at, but this time we got some snow and it's sticking around. So I love how low this bridge is. I've been to some bridges, they're like up this high and I could barely reach over them. So what's that? Yeah, it's a freaking flat screen TV. What? If only it wasn't broken, man. That'd be a freaking cool thing. That probably don't even work. Oh, and it's all cracked. It's all busted. Man, that would have been cool. Alright, guys. So I just pulled up this. Computer speakers, a hammer. Looks like in good shape. Looks like the hammer just got through in there. Computer wires. That hammer's still in good shape. It ain't been down there long with them. I've been at this spot right now for a few minutes. Won't catching much. Got a little nail and other little barbed wire. Then I got that. Alright, guys. So y'all, I was just looking around. It's been a while since I've been in this spot right here. Somebody else has been down here. Look at all this mess they left on the bridge. Somebody's been down here leaving their trash. I figured somebody was down here. As soon as I started walking up, I said, somebody's been here. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to take the first through. See what we come up with. And go this up a little bit. Hopefully there's something out there. Man, do I see a freaking Pepsi machine way back there in the woods, y'all? I don't know if y'all can see it. It's a freaking Pepsi machine back there. Yo, I might have to go to that real fast. Might see if I can get back there. Get to that. I don't think I have anything on the first throw. I tell you what, guys, this water is freezing. Oh yeah, I do have a little something up there. It's more of these rock type things. Yo, I made it back here. Look, the bridge is up there. Look at this thing just sitting right here, y'all. Man. That is pretty sweet. And look, then over there's another little freezer or something. That is pretty cool, guys. Looks like somebody shot it. There's bullet holes all in there. It's pretty sweet. Alright guys, so not finding much so far, but found this thing, Allen wrench. Then I found a bunch of rocks, guys. A great investment, one of these scrapers. You scrape the rocks right back into the creek. That way you ain't got to get your hands dirty either. Just scrape it right back into the creek. Good as new. It's one of those investments that you need to get along with the claw, you know. Guys, my hands are freaking frozen. But I just pulled up this. Got a couple things on that throw. See, I got a spoon. Some piece of metal. I swear it looks like a little brake, maybe to a motorcycle. A bunch of nails. A tack. Then this rocks. That's the rest of it. Do a few more throws and probably head to the house because look at my hands, guys. They are frozen. And my gloves are soaking wet from my last trip. They still have not dried out. So, y'all tell me down in the comments what kind of gloves y'all use that really don't get soaking wet. I'd like to know. Because, man, doing this with the cold water gets your hands freezing. Come on, baby. Come on. Whew. What do I have on here, you guys? What the world is that thing? What the world, guys? I got a spark plug. Nails, rocks. You guys, what is that? You guys let me know down in the comments what you think that is right there. That's first find. Now what's this thing? This is what I'm curious of, guys. Oh, it says something right there. Guys, what you think that is right there? I have no clue what it is. If I could clean this off, it says something right here. But I'm really not sure what it says. I'm going to try to clean it off and see if I could tell. But then we just got a bunch of rocks. Oh, got a U-bolt. Bunch of rocks. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up today's video. We didn't find much. I did go in the woods and I found that Pepsi machine. Found a spoon and something else with a little point on it. Couldn't make out what it said on it. So if you guys know what it is, let me know down in the comments. Get outside and do some magnet fishing. It's a pretty cool hobby. Just never know what you will find in these creeks. I found some pretty cool stuff, but I'm still shooting for one thing, and that thing will come either this spring or summer, I guarantee it. So you guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe to the channel. We're at 52 subscribers, I believe. My goal is 100. Let's get me to 100. Tell your friends and your family. And yeah, so till next time, see y'all.